More and more people are turning to alternative forms of health care these days.
Our next guest offers an alternative way for people to get their lives back without using surgery or drugs. Welcome Dr. Ray Drury with Upper Cervical Health Centers. Dr. Drury, thank you for being here today.
Well, thank you for having me.
On this snow day, we appreciate you being here. First of all, what is upper cervical care?
All right, so upper cervical care is a solution, okay? Let me explain. So most people don't even know that it exists, but what happens is most people, you know, when you have chronic neck pain, back pain, headaches, digestive disorders, sleeping problems, even immune function problems, people usually go and they get some sort of a medication, okay?
Right.
Well, I promise you the cause of those things, the cause versus the effect, the cause is not some sort of a chemical deficiency. So although it might give you some temporary relief, it's never going to actually fix the cause. So what we do as upper cervical chiropractors is we look for is there some sort of disconnect in how the body naturally is supposed to function. And if there is, if we can find that disconnect, which we found the majority of the times is somewhere up in the upper part of the neck, just the upper cervical area. If we can find that and we can remove that interference to the normal function of the body, then the body starts to function the way it's intended to, and those things actually heal naturally without having to take any kind of chemicals.
It just really makes a lot of sense to fix the cause instead of just trying to medicate the symptoms.
Right.
So who benefits from this kind of care?
So, well, majority of our patients, we're usually the last place they come, which can be good and bad. It's bad because a lot of those people have tried everything else. So they come to me, they're hopeless, they've been, you know, in pain for a long period of time, they've been told they have to live with the condition. But on the other side of that, it's good because, as I said, it's usually the last place people come. So they come there and ultimately we help the body heal itself naturally without any chemicals or any other interferences. And then they get well on their own, and then they no longer need the medications. They don't need to treat the symptoms anymore. Their body actually just gets well and stays well.
You have a new book out. It's called The Best Kept Secret in Healthcare. The Best Kept Secret in Healthcare. Tell us why you wrote this book.
Well, the title speaks for itself. It is actually the best kept secret in healthcare because most people just don't understand that everything they need to be well is actually already inside of them. It doesn't need any help. It just can't be interfered with. And if you can remove that interference, then let the body do what it's designed to do. It'll heal itself. So the reason really I wrote the book is I have people come to me, honestly, from all over the world, from Canada, Mexico, all different states, from Europe, which has led to some offices over there. When there are people driving up and down past my office every day with the same conditions these people are paying to fly here for, and they don't even know we exist. So we're trying to get the secret out.
You're getting the word out. That's right. You can get that book at drraydrury.com, drraydrury.com. You can also download 3 free chapters of the book. And Dr. Drury has a special offer for Charlotte Today viewers today only. If you call and mention Charlotte Today, you'll receive a complimentary upper cervical exam and x-rays. That's a $275 value. You'll receive that for free. Again, the offer is good if you call today, the number there on your screen, 704-588-5560. Again, 704-588-5560. And if we can put up your website again, that would be helpful because you can. There it is, Dr. Ray Drury. Take a moment to write down the spelling there to get a copy of your book. Thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you. And can I say the reason we do this offer is because a lot of people have barriers, okay? And so we try to eliminate those barriers so people can at least come in and say, hey, is this something that actually works for me? And I'll be honest with you, if it is, I'll show you what the problem is, what we can do to help it. If it's not, we can find somebody else that can help you.
He says he's never met a headache he couldn't fix. So there you go. Thanks for being here today.